Okay guys, so many of you know that follow the channel, follow me on Facebook and a couple other social media sites, I'm gonna know that I own one of these cars. Mine is a 1950 and it's a business coupe. I'll explain the difference in a minute. This one is beautiful. It sold for $9 grand. Well, actually it didn't sell. That was the bid. That was the high bid. Look at this thing, bullet nose Stude. Real popular with the hot rodders. Back in the day, they'd put all kind of early Hemis and big block Chevys and small block Chevys. So it's a 50 Champion. Mine was a Champion business coupe. 3-speed on the column with the overdrive. Now, that doesn't mean my car had the overdrive lever that you pulled. Now this car has a back seat, as you can see. Now I can't open the doors and trunk, hood and trunk on these cars because these are at an auction and the owner of the car is not here. But my car was a business coupe, so it didn't have this window. It had a real, so it was all trunk all the way back. There's videos on the channel of my car. The business coupe because it was made for traveling salesmen back in the 50s. Travel the countryside before the interstate system. And they would sell encyclopedias, medicines, all kind of stuff, household wares to small towns all across America. So the trunk was made for that purpose, to have plenty of room for the salesman to carry his stuff in the back of it. This car is much nicer than mine and was a no sale at $9 grand, it looks like. See, it says right on here, please look, but do not touch my bullet nose. I have made a deal on my Studebaker. The guy that's, I'm gonna trade a guy some labor. He runs a restoration shop. He's gonna do some labor on the Barracuda. He's already done some on the Cordoba. And in exchange for the labor, he's going to, and I think a few parts too, he's gonna buy to add to the Barracuda. He's gonna get the, I'm gonna give him my Studebaker. I'll get another one later on. These cars, the hot rodders, would take these front bumpers off, which were heavy, and they'd put a straight axle underneath them. Now this car has a triangular, if it's like mine, it should be, it's a 50, has a triangular type of, I guess you'd call it a pitman arm kind of a deal. It pivots and runs a real long tie rod into each side. And that center pivot piece will wear out, and it's not, no parts are available for it. It was a 1 year only design. So I sent it to that body shop for him to make that part for me and install it. And he fell in love with the car and he called me and said, hey, I'll make a deal with you. And we made it go from there. But man, there you have it, folks. 50 Champion. And I do like the sun visor. A lot of folks don't like the sun visors, and they're adjustable, as you can see there. All right, folks, so there you go. Hit that thumbs up. There's a lot of other cool cars that we're going to post from this auction. So be on the lookout for some more videos. I'm not sure where this one's going to be placed in this system at, but we'll have a lot of videos coming for you. So hit that thumbs up and watch as many of the videos as you can. I really appreciate it. Bob out.